I'm going to show you a little bit about our marketplace and how it works. So, on the marketplace is where you will see all the listings that business owners have to sell. You can type in the search bar for what you are looking for, and it will come up. Then you can also search from oldest, the listings that have been on there for a while. You can also search from low to high, the lowest listings, and then you can also search high to low. We also have filters where you can filter only ones that's listed under business, or you can do health and wellness. There are different filters that you can choose from when you are looking for products and services on the Barter Black platform. So that is how our marketplace works.